There is once again a significant amount of liquidity piling up on the top side of Bitcoin, and once Bitcoin reaches that 44.6k target, more than 700 million US dollars in Bitcoin shorts will be getting liquidated. So make sure to get ready, because this is the calm before the storm. Before Bitcoin is going to be having a massive breakout of this region, whether it's going to be upwards or downwards, I'm going to discuss what my price targets are, what we're expecting, and more importantly, when is this breakout going to be happening. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I try to keep it as short as possible. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Let's smash it back above 600 likes. That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in. So Bitcoin, of course, is just consolidating in this region, and I will say whenever we break above either the resistance on the top side or either the support, that is the point where we are going to be seeing a massive move getting created for Bitcoin. And of course, if we see a breakdown, the next big support target is actually all the way down here to 40.6k. But if we do break this resistance target, the next price target for Bitcoin is going to be 46,000 US dollars. What is of course a significant upwards target from of the breakout. I mean, honestly, if we were to confirm the breakout, it will be another 4% pump towards the upside, what is of course absolutely massive. I mean, the reason why I also have this target is that first of all, we create this W pattern, and so far it looks to be still playing out as a perfect W pattern. We're just currently seeing the retest, and really once we break above the 4-hourly high, what was initially my resistance, and like you can clearly see, has provided significant amount of resistance. But at the point really where Bitcoin is going to be breaking above it, that is the point where we're going to see volatility. But currently we're creating still this consolidation phase, and it's just moments before we're going to be breaking out of this pattern. And once we break outside of this pattern, that is the point where we will see, of course, a lot of movements in the Bitcoin price action. Going further in towards it, we can currently see that there is a massive amount of liquidity piling up on the top side. Yesterday we had some liquidity piling on the top side, and exactly just moments after I uploaded my video, Bitcoin grabbed that liquidity and went down again here. And it could be something similar again for Bitcoin this time around. We could just touch this level, grab out the liquidity, liquidate these short positions, and then potentially be moving down here. That's usually what really happens in this market. It tends to grab the liquidity and then move the other way around, right? So this time around, that liquidity for the Bitcoin price action is sitting around 44.7k, around this level right here. So this is a little bit higher. So in this case, Bitcoin has to be pumping towards the upside and potentially come down again here. But I would only confirm that we're going to be reaching that 46,000 US dollar target as soon as we confirm the break above this dotted line with a 4-hourly candle close. As long as we're not seeing the 4-hourly candle close, I can't confirm that that is an official breakout. Then at the same time, looking quickly at the funding rates, it is currently coming down again here, what means that of course right now the balance between long and short positions are a little bit better right now here. So that is of course a very good development that we're currently seeing, and that really makes it for the bulls more likely that Bitcoin is actually even gonna go higher. And I mean, honestly, after we've seen the descending triangle, it exactly flipped into support and it moved towards the upside. So it would also be very likely that we are going to see that continuation towards the upside. But just like I said earlier in the video, if we really break below the green box of support, then I would really expect we're gonna go lower. But honestly, if we're looking about where we are currently sitting in the cycle, we're just days out before the Bitcoin spot ETF, so it makes no sense that people are going to be selling off their Bitcoin days before the Bitcoin spot ETF. That is just something that is likely not to happen. It is more likely that we're going to get another pump towards the upside, because people are thinking, I am not going to sell off my Bitcoin days before the acceptance of the Bitcoin spot ETF, because then I will literally miss out on a big pump here. And due to that, we're going to have reduced sell pressure, and due to that, we are most definitely gonna go in towards another rally towards the upside. And just like I said several times before, I think we're still gonna have another rally towards new highs in towards that Bitcoin spot ETF approval window, and potentially after it gets accepted, that is the point where we could find a short-term top. Why? Because that potentially could give the feeling like people, oh, I anticipated for the Bitcoin spot ETF and now I want to be stepping out of the market. I don't know, maybe people are betting like that here. I mean, it could be heading towards two ways here. Honestly, once the Bitcoin spot ETF gets accepted, what it most definitely will, it will most likely trade on the market within days. Let's say it's going to get accepted on January the 9th, on that Wednesday. It will probably be trading live already on Friday or the day after. And due to that, it could even cause more buying pressure in that time frame for Bitcoin. So I am super excited about it. This will be creating a massive amount of hype, a massive amount of price action, and that is just a thing I'm just looking forward towards. So if you want to be trading this just like I am currently doing, make sure to check out BYBIT in the link description. You could currently get a $40,000 deposit bonus if you sign up an account using that link below, and without this link is only 400, so it's a win-win situation. And on top of that, you could even right now claim a free $1,000 trading position, and all you need to do here is sign up an account using that link below, deposit $100 in your first 7 days, and you could be claiming this insane airdrop position on BYBIT. And if you can't trade on BYBIT, check out Fimex, where you can currently get literally a 10% cashback on all the things you deposit. And I mean, yeah, Fimex also doesn't require to use KYC, and that is of course a very nice thing as well. So going further in towards Bitcoin to quickly finish off the video. Bitcoin right now, of course, if we're going to be looking at the momentum, looks quite right out, but personally I think that we not necessarily should be looking at this, because right now we are in a completely different stage due to the fact that Bitcoin spot ETF is just days out before acceptance, and that is just going to create another move towards the upside. But honestly guys, I think sometimes it's important to zoom out, and honestly if we're looking at all these previous cycles, we are literally right now just at the beginning stage for where we're heading towards. I mean, in the same time frame and in the same scale, I mean, honestly, it is targeting levels between 200 and 100,000 US dollars. So I think that is also my target personally. I think 100 to 200,000 US dollars is going to be a realistic target for Bitcoin. But like you can see in the past, we are just at the beginning stage, and I don't think necessarily that this is going to be happening tomorrow. I think we should have another approximately 4 to 5 months before it's really going to go exponential. But right now we are about to be entering these stages where it could go very quickly, and honestly I think it will be going very quickly once Bitcoin also breaks above this exact resistance. I think this is a very important level of resistance. Once we break above it, that is the point we go exponential. But guys, this was it for me on today's update video. It was a shorter one because there's not a lot of stuff happening on the market right now, and I need to catch a flight. So guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.